Ziegler from Pike Nurseries, and today we're talking about attracting pollinators to your garden. So pollinators are birds, bees, insects, anything that is going to pollinate your plants. And the great thing about them is that if you've got a lot of pollinators in your garden, you get a lot more flowers and you get a lot more vegetables in your vegetable garden. Pollinators need a food source, they need shelter, and they need water to survive. So we're going to talk about a few things that you can do to achieve this in your garden. So first of all, we have butterfly bushes here, and they are just what they're named after. They're plants that attract butterflies. They come back every year, and they come in such pretty colors like reds and purples that they're gorgeous in your garden and will really help attract a lot of things to your garden. Next is lantana. Lantana is a very easy, low maintenance plant that you can add to your garden, and there's rich nectar in their flowers, and so you will have bees and butterflies all over your lantana. So once you make sure that you have the right plants in your garden for your butterflies and your bees and your pollinators, you want to make sure that you have shelter for them. So here we have an anise, which is a broadleaf evergreen shrub, and it's a place for them to go if there's a big rainstorm, if they need somewhere to hide. You want to make sure they have that shelter. And then also you want to make sure they have plenty of water. So you can use anything like a bird bath or something as simple as a saucer with a little bit of gravel in it, and fill it up with water and just make sure it stays full about an inch per day, and that gives birds and butterflies a place to go. You want to make sure that if you are planting a pollinator garden, that if you've got bad bugs in your garden, that you're not using insecticides to kill your bad bugs, because that could also be harmful to your pollinators. So you can use natural alternatives such as ladybugs in your garden. Ladybugs are great because they'll eat the bugs that you don't want in your garden, such as aphids and mites. And another thing that you can do, say that you've got fungus or you've got some insect problems, some mite problems, neem oil is a really good organic solution that will not hurt your good bugs and your pollinators, but will take care of your insects that you have an issue with. If you have any other questions, please come down to your local Pike Nurseries, and we can help you with all of your pollinator garden needs.